8 September 2020 Morning Murli Om Shanti Babdada Madhuban. Sweet children, put your hand on your heart and ask yourself, did I know previously all the things that Baba is now explaining to me? Understand the meaning of what you hear now and remain happy. Question: what is the greatest strength of your Brahmin religion and how? Answer: your Brahmin religion is such that the whole world receives salvation on the basis of the Srimad you follow. It is Brahmins who make the whole world peaceful. You, the decoration of the Brahmin clan, are more elevated than the deities. You receive the strength from the Father. You Brahmins become the Father's helpers. You receive the biggest prize. You not only become the master of Brahmand, but you also become the master of the world. Om Shanti. The spiritual father sits here and explains to you, sweetest spiritual, long lost, and now found children. You spiritual children understand that the spiritual father definitely only comes once every 5000 years. The name cycle has to be used. The age of this drama, that is, the cycle of the world, is 5000 years. Only the one father sits here and explains this thing. You would never hear this from the mouth of a human being. You spiritual children who are sitting here know that the spiritual father of all of you souls is that one. The Father whom no human beings knows sits here and gives you children his introduction. No one knows who God or Ishwar is. Since they call him God, the Father, there should be so much love for him. He is the unlimited Father. So you must definitely be receiving the inheritance from him. Very good English words, heavenly God, the Father, are used. The new world is called heaven and the old world is called hell. However, no one knows heaven. Sannyasis don't believe in it. They never say that the Father is the creator of heaven. The words heavenly God, the Father, are very sweet, and heaven is also famous. The cycle of heaven and hell, the beginning, the middle, and the end of the world, turns around in the intellects of you children. That is, it turns around in the intellects of those who are serviceable. Not everyone becomes serviceable to the same extent. You are once again establishing your kingdom. You say we spiritual children are following the Father's most elevated directions. It is the Srimad of the highest on high Father. The Srimad Bhagavad Gita is remembered. This is the number one scripture. On hearing the Father's name, one immediately remembers the inheritance. No one in the world knows that what is received from God. The Father, the words ancient yoga are used, but no one understands who taught this ancient yoga. They say that it was Krishna because it is Krishna's name that has been mentioned in the Gita. You now understand that the Father taught you Raj Yoga through which you all attain liberation and liberation in life. You also understand that it was in Bharat where Shiv Baba came. His birthday is celebrated too, but because his name has vanished from the Gita, his praise has also vanished. They have forgotten the Father from whom the whole world receives happiness and peace. This is called the play of just the one mistake. The biggest mistake is that they don't know the Father. Sometimes they say that He is beyond name and form, or they say that He has incarnated in a fish or in a crocodile or in the pebbles or and stone. They continue to make mistakes after mistake. They continue to come down the ladder. Their degrees continue to decrease, they continue to become Tamopradhan. According to the drama plan, the Father, who is the creator of heaven, the one who made Bharat into the master of heaven, has been said to be in the pebbles and stones. The Father now explains how you have continued to come down the ladder. No one knows anything. They continue to ask what the drama is. When was this world created? When you ask them, when did the new world come into existence? They reply hundreds of thousands of years ago. They think that the old world still has many years to go. That is called the darkness of ignorance. It is remembered the Sadguru gave the ointment of knowledge and the darkness of ignorance was displayed. You understand that the Father, the Creator, definitely creates heaven. Only the Father comes and changes hell into heaven. Only the Father, the Creator, comes and gives you the knowledge of the beginning, middle, and the end of the world. He only comes at the end. This takes time. Of course, it has also been explained to you children that knowledge doesn't take as much time as the pilgrimage of remembrance. The account of 84 births is just like a story. Whose kingdom was it 5000 years ago? Where did that kingdom go? You children now have the whole knowledge. You are very ordinary. He makes sinners like Ajamil and those who have stone intellects, the hunchbacked and the natives very elevated. The Father explains what you have become from what you were. The Father comes and tells you to look at the state that the old world has now reached. Human beings don't know anything of how the world cycle turns. The Father says, put your hand on your heart and ask yourself whether you knew any of this before. Nothing at all. You now know that Baba has come once again to give us the sovereignty of the world. It doesn't enter anyone's intellect what the sovereignty of the world is. The world means the whole world. You know that the Father gives us such a kingdom that for a half a cycle, no one can snatch it away from us. Therefore, you children should have so much happiness. You have claimed the kingdom from the Father so many times. He is also the Sadguru. You had not heard this before. You now understand the meaning of this. You are his children, so you should be able to remember the Father. Nowadays, they adopt a guru in their childhood. They make picture of their gurus and wear it around their necks, or they keep one at home. Here, the wonder is that the Father, the teacher, and the Sadguru are all one. The Father says, I will take you back home with me. When you are asked, what do you study? Tell them, we are studying Raj Yoga in order to claim the kingdom of the new world. Just as there is barrister yoga, so this is Raj Yoga. Their intellects would definitely be in yoga with a barrister. They would definitely remember their teacher. You say that you are studying in order to attain the kingdom of heaven. Who is teaching us? God, Father Shiva. He only has one name which has continued. That name is not the chariot's name. My name is Shiva. You say Father Shiva and Brahma the chariot. You now know how wonderful this is. The body is one. Why is he called the lucky chariot? Because Shiv Baba entered him. There are definitely two souls. Only you know this, no one else would even think of it. They depict the lucky chariot means Bhagirath bringing the Ganges. Was it water that was brought? You can now see in a practical way who brings it. What it is he brings is the knowledge. Who has entered this body? It is the Father who has entered it. Water would hardly enter a human being. Water would hardly emerge from the locks of someone's hair. Human beings never think about these things. It is said, religion is might. There is might in religion. Say, which religion has the most strength? That is the Brahmin religion. Yes, that's right. Whatever strength there is, it is in the Brahman religion that has it. No other religion has any strength. You are now Brahmins. You Brahmins receive power from the Father through which you become the master of the world. You have so much power. You say that you belong to the Brahmin religion. This will not sit in anyone's intellect. Although the variety form image has been created, it is incomplete. The main thing is that no one knows the creator or his first creation. The Father is the creator and Brahmins are the top knot. There is strength in this. Just by remembering the Father, you receive strength. Children are definitely number wise, are they not? You are the decoration of the most elevated Brahmin clan in this world. You are more elevated than the deities. You now receive power. The greatest strength is in the Brahmin religion. What do Brahmins do? They make the whole world peaceful. Your religion is such that it liberates anyone on the basis of the Srimad you follow. This is why the Father says, I make you even more elevated than I am. You become the master of Brahman and also the master of the world. You will rule over the whole world. They sing, Bharat is our country. Sometimes they sing song of praise and at other times they say, look at the state Bharat has become. They don't know when Bharat was that elevated. Human beings believe that heaven and hell are both here together. Those who have wealth and cars, etc., think that they are in heaven. They don't understand that it is the new world that is called heaven. Everything has to be learned here. The skills of science will be useful later on there. Science gives happiness there. There is temporary happiness through all the things here. There it will become permanent happiness for you children. Everything has to be learned here so that those sanskar can be taken there. New souls will not go and learn them there. The children from here will learn science and go there. They will become very clever. They will take all the sanskars that will be useful there. Now there is temporary happiness. These bombs etc. will destroy everything. How can there be the reign of peace without death? Here there is the kingdom of peacelessness. You also understand number wise that you will first go home and then go to the land of happiness. The Father doesn't enter the land of happiness. The Father says, I need an old chariot. On the path of devotion, I have been fulfilling everyone's desires. The trance messengers have been shown how devotees carry out intense worship. They decorate the deities, worship them, and then sink them in the sea. There is so much expense. Ask them when did this begin. They reply that it has been going on since time immemorial. They wander around so much. All of that is the drama. The Father repeatedly explains to you children that He has come to make you very sweet. Those deities are so sweet, human beings now are so better. Those who helped the Father a great deal previously continue to be worshipped. You are worshipped. You also claim an elevated status. The Father Himself says, I make you more elevated than I am. These are the elevated directions of the highest on high, Father. You don't say that these are Krishna's directions. Even in the Gita, Srimati is very well known. Krishna claims his inheritance from the father at this time. The father has entered the chariot of the Krishna soul. This is such a wonderful thing. This never enters anyone's intellect. It takes great effort for those who understand to explain this. The father explains to you children so well. Baba writes, Brahmins, the most elevated, mouth-born creation of Brahma. If you do elevated service, you receive this prize. If you become the Father's helpers, you all receive a prize. Number wise, according to the efforts you make, you have so much strength that you can make human beings into the master of heaven. You are the spiritual army. If you don't wear this badge, how would people understand that you are the spiritual military? Those in the military always wear a badge. Shiv Baba is the creator of the new world. There was the kingdom of the deities. It doesn't exist now. Therefore, the Father says, Man Mana Bhava. Forget your body and all your bodily relations and remember me alone. You will then go into Krishna's dynasty. There can be no question of shyness about this. You will remember the Father. The Father says of this one Brahma that he used to worship Narayan and kept a picture of Narayan with him. While walking and moving around, he kept looking at the picture. Now that you children have knowledge, you should definitely wear a badge. You are the ones who change ordinary humans into Narayan. You are the ones who teach Raj Yoga. You do the service of changing ordinary humans into Narayan. Check yourself. Do I have any defects? You children come to Bab Dada. The father means the Bab. It's Shiv Baba. Dada is his chariot. The father will definitely meet you through the chariot. You children come to the father to be refreshed. When you sit in front of him, it is easy to remember him. Baba has come in order to take you back home. The Father is now sitting in front of you, so there should be more remembrance of him. Every day you can also increase your pilgrimage of remembrance even outside Madhuban. Acha, to the sweetest, beloved, long lost and now found children, love, remembrance and good morning from the mother, the father, Bab-Dada. The spiritual father says Namaste to the spiritual children. The spiritual children says Namaste and good morning to the spiritual father. Essence for the dharana. First point, check yourself. Do I have any defects? Deities are very sweet. Have I become just as sweet? Second point, follow the Father's most elevated direction to establish your own kingdom. In order to become serviceable, make your intellect spin the knowledge of the beginning, middle, and end of the world and of heaven and hell. Blessing. May you be a world benefactor who gives everyone rays of peace and power on the basis of elevated feelings. Explanation. Just as there are always benevolent feelings and wishes in the Father's thoughts and words, in the same way, let the thoughts of you children be filled with benevolent feelings and wishes for the world. While you are doing this work, let all the souls of the world emerge. Be a master, son of knowledge, and on the basis of your pure feelings and elevated wishes, continue to give rays of peace and power, and you will then be said to be a world benefactor. However, for this, you must be free from all bondages and liberated. Slogan. The consciousness of I and mine, are doors to body consciousness. Now close these doors. Om Shanti.